So the first quarter financial call Monday afternoon will include Lomotif and advisor revenue. Tide dividend first week for June. Float is estimated to over 87% retail ownership. So what we should expect by Monday? Let's get right to it and discuss something really important before we close on Friday, which is bid and ask. Look with me closely what's happened. Before the market close, this is the 10-minute bid and ask before the market close on Friday. And you can see the price. We have almost 35,000 been asked for this price, around the $2.85, and for the bid is around the $2.84 and asked 13,000. And everybody knows before the market close, we have the price close around the $2.89. So we have the buying pressure outweigh the selling pressure before the market close. You know why? Because this area have a significant value in the short term because it's filling the gap. That's why we see a massive volatility the last minute before Friday close. We have the shares at the almost same range between the $2.84 until the $2.80, the opposite for the ask. And the ask, it was around the $2.89. We closed around the $2.89 before the market closed because, as we said, we have this gap to fill until the $3. So the $3, it was a psychological level for BBIG, and that's why we see a short fighting before the market close to keep BBIG below the $3. So what we should expect by Monday? Yes, you guessed it. If we saw the $3 again, this would be pre-signaling before squeeze for BBIG around the $3.80. Yes, $3.80 is still the price that will show the strength and the short seller that will be beating. If the price overcome the $3.80, we're going to have the $5.40 and the $6.34. However, in the time being, if we got rejected and never filled the gap and we got rejected by Monday, this will have a bit of turning point because the $3 is the psychological level. Even though if we got rejected and never overcome the $3 mark, we need still holding this ascending line. You can see it, this ascending line is still holding, and every time we tested, as we said from the last video that we did for BBIG, we see a buying pressure here as well on the 29th of April, and buying pressure again around the 10th of May. So we have 3 tests from below, and again more than 3 tests if we go on a 4-hour chart for BBIG around this exponential moving average. So you see a massive fight being fought in those areas, and the price is still squeezing. In smaller picture, the price to be tested is the $3. In the big picture, the price to be tested is the $3.80. We're gonna do full update for you guys tomorrow, so hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update for BBIG and the other stocks and crypto here on our Hunter channel. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative. Hopefully you have a nice weekend and see you in the next update.